How to apply folder templates in bulk. Folder templates make it easy to organize client documents by creating consistent folder structures. You can apply them to both new and existing accounts, and even do it in bulk. In this example, we've set up a bookkeeping folder template, including folders for invoices, receipts, and monthly reports. Let's apply it to all accounts tagged as bookkeeping. From the Accounts tab, we'll filter the list by the bookkeeping tag and select all matching accounts. Next, click More Actions and select Apply Folder Template. Choose the bookkeeping folder template from the list and click Apply. Once done, we can open any of the accounts to see the updated folder structure in the Docs tab. This is a quick and efficient way to keep your document folders consistent across multiple client accounts.